Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background music to your Shopify store using Elfsight. The first thing we need to do is open Elfsight. This is the tool that we'll use to create the background music widget. I placed the link in the description. If you don't have an account yet, just enter your email, set a password, and sign up for a new account. Once you're inside, go to the search widgets bar at the upper right corner, type background music, and click on the background music widget that appears. Elfsight will now ask you to pick a template that you want to use. You can choose anything. Everything can be customized later on. Once you have chosen the perfect template for you, click the Continue with this template. Inside the editor, go to the Tracks section. Then click on the Add Tracks. You can upload audio through your computer, direct links, YouTube Music, SoundCloud, Twitch, and Wistia. You'll probably use an MP3 from your PC. Once you have uploaded your track, it will allow you to edit the title, the artist, and the cover image. Click Done. Now let's head on to the Layout section. In the Layout section, here you can choose if you would like a floating player or a static player. The floating player follows the user and the static stays in one spot. Depending on the option, you can adjust the position on the page, the size, and whether users can close it. Then head on to the player section. Into the player section, you can toggle previous and next, play button, the shuffle button, loop button, the volume settings, the playlist, save playing tracks in progress, shuffle by default, volume by default, and many more. You can play around a bit with this one to see which setting would you like best for your store. Now let's head on to the Style section. Here you can customize the colors, the background, button shapes, shadows, icons, an optional photo, and the font. Match the style to your Shopify theme so it blends smoothly with your design. Once you're happy with the design or everything else, go ahead and click on Publish. Elfsight will now show you the available plans. Pick one based on your store's monthly traffic. Let's go ahead and use the free plan mode. Once you've selected a plan, Elfsight will now give you an embed code. Just go ahead and click the copy code, go to your Shopify editor, click Add Section, add a custom liquid, open the custom liquid, and paste it inside the custom liquid box. Wait for a couple seconds, and there you go. You can now see that the background music player is in our Shopify store. Let's click Save and go to the actual page of our website. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.